Okay, everybody, it's Rose, and I am back with video number 9 in the series that I'm now calling Humongous PeggyBuy Haul. And I have this bag that is the first part of the shipment that I received. And I'm just reached in and I grabbed the next painting that I'm going to open. So like the others, there's the code information on it, like the item number, and that's about it. That doesn't tell me anything at all. Oh, that's from the last kit. Let's get rid of that. Excuse me. So I'm going to insert up in the little eye a link to the playlist for this series of unboxings of this big PeggyBuy haul. And if you want to check out the first video in the series, getting ready to unbox, you can sort of get the history on everything that I'm doing. How this came about, why I'm doing this crazy thing, and also what my rules were for buying these so-called free diamond paintings. It's got all kinds of information in there, so you might be interested if you haven't seen it or if you forgot. If you just want to see what the rules were for buying paintings, you can skip to minute 5:45. And that'll tell you what my rules were. Okay, so, oh, this one opens the other way. And this is one in a series that I bought. Because, according to the rules, I had to buy every single one of the paintings that were available for free, with one exception. And so, the first one that I unboxed, I think it was the first one, maybe the second one. No, it was the third one, apparently. Okay, so just a second. I don't want to get these all out of order. So the first one that I bought was what I call the sepia roses. And I labeled them. And there were, I think, 3 others in the series that were available. And so this is the blue roses. So now I have to close up my storage container again. Oh, hold on. No, that goes right. So, I'm trying to lay them all flat so that they flatten out as much as possible. I figure by the time I've got 48 paintings in here, if 48 even fit, that the weight of the ones on top will make the ones on the bottom flatter, and hopefully eliminate my need to iron, because this girl does not like ironing. All right, so let's take a look at this. It is supposed to be, so I call this Blue Roses, and it's a partial, and it is supposed to be 25 by 25 centimeter canvas, and the other one was 19 by 19 drill area. I don't expect this one to be any different. So yeah, it's just short of 25. Yeah, I'd say it's closer to 25 than 24 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Drill area is the same as the other one, 19 by 19. Came out pretty flat, so that looks good. Where's my popsicle stick? Okay, it's actually a tongue depressor. So let's just pull this back. I don't think I did this for the pink, the sepia roses, but I will do it for you here. We'll take a look at the, I think I did do this, but we'll take a look at the legend. And we'll take a look at the drill area. So it's very clear. Yeah, it's very clear. And this one looks like it's all blues and white. Okay, so there's less variation of color than the other one. And what I didn't do, I don't think, on the sepia one was take a look at how the glue is laid down, because we wouldn't want the glue to extend very far beyond the drill area, now would we? So as I'm looking at this, just trying to get the glare. This time I want glare. I'm trying to get glare so that we can see where the glue is ends. And this looks like it was perfectly laid. Look at that. The glue covers but does not extend beyond the drill area. So that's good. Now I will check it on the other side as well, because it might, you know, it might be sticking out or not covering the full drill area on the right-hand side of the picture. Oops. You know what, this might be easier done just with my hand. Let's see. Not so much. Okay, that's good. Let's just take a look here at the glue. Oops. I need glare. I'm going to turn on the light. Maybe that'll give us some glare. It looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's sticky enough. It feels like it's sticky right to the very edge. Yeah, you can see there. It extends just a wee tiny bit beyond the edge of the drill field, which is perfect. This is actually the one that was laid the most perfectly of the partials that I've opened so far. So that's good. All right. Okay, so this is another diamond painting snack, because it won't take too long to do this. You know, I would say maximum 4 hours. So let's take a look. Oh, first I'll give you the details on these blue roses. So I'm just going to fill in 19 by 19 drill area. Okay, so round drills. It was a free painting. I had to pay shipping. The shipping was $7.22 per painting. And so for this one, the regular price for this painting, because it's back at regular price right now, is $4.57. So I overpaid by about $2.30, 35 cents, something like that. So I did not, I should have waited and bought this one for regular price if I wanted it, but I didn't know that. So I do know now, and I'm letting you know so that you don't make the same mistake I made. Okay. And I ordered all of these paintings on January 3rd. They were shipped. This shipment was shipped on January the 11th, and it arrived on January 30th. So let's take a look at all these drills, these 9 colors of drills. All right. So there's number 1, number 2, number 3, with a bunch of others in there. Number 4. Oh, and they do have DMC numbers on them, these ones. The last ones didn't. Number 5. Number 6, that's pretty blue. Number 7. And number 8. That's interesting. It looks like they printed it backwards. I think those are 5200s. Number 8. And then number 9. What's number 9? Holy crap, I can't read that. I think those are 5200s as well. You know what? They made some sort of weird printing mistake. I think that's maybe a 30, can't remember if it's 38 or 37, 56. And this one I think is actually a 5200. Yeah, that one looks pure white to me in the natural sunlight here. Okay, so it looks like I've got all the drills. I think I've gone through my whole checklist of things to cover in this video. So here's the toolkit. It just has the standard contents, the green boat, the regular one placer, and the very hard and tacky, well, I'm not sure it will be very tacky, pink wax. So I'm not sure I'm going to use the pink wax from any of these diamond paintings because it doesn't really seem very good. So all that's left is for me to say thank you to all of you for watching and coming back to visit me. Why don't you like this video? And if you haven't already done it, you can subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos that are linked up in the corner. The little eye is still there if you hover over the screen. And I will be back in a couple of days with number 10 unboxing. So until then, sparkle like diamonds. Bye-bye.